Creating music videos has never been easier. Hi, I am Prabjot and today I'm going to show you how to create a music video from scratch. Let's go. The first tool we are going to use is called Chimp.video. It allows us to convert any MP3 file into an MP4 file but with awesome visuals. So we can see here that it asks us to choose a template. So on the left side here we have all of these templates. I am kind of thinking about a cyberpunk song, so this looks good. There's a lot of neon here, and once I click on it,
so tired of standing still.
So you can see that the visuals are synced to the audio. I can move around here and I can move around the audio player and see how the visuals are changing and see if this fits me. So that's a good enough template for me now. I'll move on to the next step. So now it's asking me to upload a music. So now we need to generate some music using AI. So for that I'll use a tool called Brev.ai. So if you go to this tool and click on generate music free, you get this option, song description and instrumental. So I'm kind of trying to build a cyberpunk instrument song. So what I can type is synthwave, cyberpunk, I can say high tempo and guitar solo because I think those sound really well. And then I can take instrumental and click on generate music. So while this is happening, what I can do is I can generate the image that I would need. So if we go back to Chimp.video, we have an image here. So for that I'm going to use WhatsApp. Meta AI's new AI image generator features are really awesome. So here I can come and say generate a cyberpunk monkey in the spirit of Chimp.video, wearing a neon headphone, neon cap, Studio Ghibli style, cartoonish, cute and young, and then I can just press enter. Awesome. So I have this nice looking chimp, so I'll just download this. Great. And I can come back to my neon song. So this will take about 2-3 minutes. So I already have a song generated, so we'll use that. So I'll download this and then I can come back to Chimp.video and here we'll upload this music. So this is the song we downloaded. Awesome. So I like this song. There's a lot of beat to it. And then next is subtitles. This is a feature that is coming soon. And this will be useful when we have songs which have lyrics in them. So if we go to Brev.ai, you can go to custom mode and add your own lyrics. So that will be useful then. Also, if you remove instrumental, it'll try to generate a song with lyrics. So there are like multiple options there, and then subtitles will help you generate the subtitles which will come here and then design and customize them. But for now we don't need them. Ours is an instrumental song. Now we'll go and edit our design. So first I'll go and choose my logo. So this is the image we generated from WhatsApp and I'll click on play. Awesome. So this looks good. And now I'll try to change the design of this to match my image. So I'll choose a color which is similar to this and I can make it a little bit darker. Nice. I like the colors of particles. So there are like 5 features. So you can change background, you can change the logo, we can increase the radius of our logo, we can make it shake instead of zoom, but I like the zoom here. I can increase the amount of zoom. That's cool. And then I can change my particle color. So there's the multicolor mode and then you can choose individual particles. I like the multicolored mode for now. I can just increase the number of particles here. Awesome. I can change their sizes and their speed. 14 is kind of good. It's kind of syncing with the audio. And then for the bars, I have this God mode, insane mode and so on. So I'm going to choose the insane mode. And then I can increase my bar width and I can increase my bar height. And I can move the song to see how it looks. So it's cool. I can also increase the number of rotations. So this gives it like this layered look, which I really like. Okay, so that's good. I can also reduce the opacity. Nice. So now it's looking really good to me. I can just click on next. So now I'll name my video. So I'll call it Chimp Punk. I can set my quality. High is generally good enough for most devices. And then I can choose my dimension. So this is good for like an HD view on YouTube, Insta, etc. Here you can go and create a reel, a vertical format. This can create a square format for like Insta post, and then you can go with like a smaller 1280 or 720p if you want, but for now I'll just do an HD video, and I'll just click on and I can also change my watermark, so I like it on the top right, and I can just click on export video. So now this will take some time to render, so it takes approximately time equal to the size of the audio. So I'll cut the video and then come back to this. So we are almost done with rendering the video. You can also stop at any point in time if you change your mind. Awesome. So our video is done, and now we can just click on download it again, or we already have it downloaded. I can just open it in my browser, and you can see that video has been rendered. It's ready to upload to different social media platforms, and nice. We went from idea of cyberpunk synthwave music to an actual fully functioning music video that we can now post on different platforms. So that's how we create a music video from scratch. It's all free. There's no cost for any of the tools. Like WhatsApp is free, Brev.ai is free, about like 8 music per day, and Chimp.video is free at this point. So yeah, feel free to start using it and start making your own music videos, start putting it on YouTube, Instagram, whatever you feel like, and have a good day.